In this video, I'm going to show you how to track recurring bills and subscriptions in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money has a dedicated recurring section that helps you automatically track monthly bills, subscriptions, and even income like paychecks. It detects patterns from your transactions to identify recurring activity. To access this on desktop, go to the Recurring tab from the sidebar. Here, you will see a list of recurring merchants along with details like frequency, category, and amount. You can switch to the calendar view to see your recurring expenses mapped out by date. This makes it easier to understand when bills are due. You can also mark payments as confirmed using the check mark. If something is missing, you can manually add a recurring item or trigger a scan to detect more transactions from your history. Using this feature helps you stay on top of your bills and avoid missing payments. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.